Oh hey guys, welcome back. Tonight, we're making Croque Monsieur on Cooking with John. Welcome guys, my name's John. This year I decided to go on a culinary adventure. I decided I was going to cook a different dish off the internet every night without ever repeating. It's been a hell of a ride so far, and I want you to come along for it. This is Cooking with John. You're wondering what a Croque Monsieur is. It's basically a ham and cheese on steroids. You take your first slice of bread, put your bechamel sauce on, then you got your ham, a nice layer of ham on there, followed by a mountain of Gruyere cheese, another slab of bread, more bechamel sauce, and another mitt full of Gruyere. Oh, melty goodness in the oven. The name Croque Monsieur literally means crunch mister, so it's a crunchy sandwich for a gentleman. It also has another variety, the Croque Madame, which is the same thing but with a fried egg on it. First made its appearance on menus in Paris in around 1910. Oh, to be at a cafe in Paris for a Croque Monsieur, wouldn't that be a dream? Monsieur, Madame, who do we got to talk to at Croque Monsieur around here?
Hey John, you realize you're in our backyard? You're not in France. Go make your own.
Alright. So we start by melting a quarter cup of butter in a pan. To that we add a quarter cup of flour, and we're going to whisk that steadily so it becomes a nice paste for about 3 minutes. To that we add a cup and a half of whole milk. Oh, creamy. And we're going to whisk that so it's nice and smooth. Once it's finished, we take it off the heat, add a pinch of nutmeg, and a half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And our sauce is all ready to go for these sandwiches, guys. This is going to be tasty. So to assemble these sandwiches, we begin by spreading our bechamel sauce on 2 slices of bread. You want to get it nice and thick and all the way to the edges. There you go. Nice and thick, yeah. Beautiful. Right to the edge. After that, we are going to add a generous handful of Gruyere cheese. And then we are going to put our ham on. Oh, let's not forget our parm. There we go. Yeah, the parm, then the ham. Now, we'll put the head on top, another handful of Gruyere, and a sprinkle of parm. Ooh. So now we're going to pop them in the oven for 4 to 6 minutes at 425 until the cheese is all melty. Is damn sandwich ready yet? I'm hungry. Well, welcome back, guys. Our sandwiches are done. They're looking fabulous. Come take a look at it. We got our Croque Madame and our Croque Monsieur right there with some fresh cut, beautiful looking French fries, ooh, huh? Why not? Anyway, guys, let's see how this works. Let's see how this tastes here. We'll put it down here. Oh, that's crunchy. That's how it's supposed to be. Sorry. That is freaking delicious. That cheese is awesome. I don't know what to do anyway. Well, the egg noon, wow, that's a kick-ass sandwich. That's crunchy as shit. Wow, that's amazing. Well, now we know a bit more about Croque Madames and Croque Monsieurs, where they're from, how they're made. This has been another fun-filled episode of Cooking with John, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you throw those thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And anything you want to see me cook, guys, just throw it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Anyway, bye for now. Where the hell is my damn sandwich?